Good afternoon, Shades Valley and JCIB students. My name is Micaiah Freeman.
And my name is Jerry Houston, and this is SVTV with your Mountie News. Teachers, club sponsors, and coaches, please be sure to email any announcements throughout the week to svhstv@gmail.com. Juniors and seniors, prom tickets are still on sale for $125. Be sure to check your emails for any more updates on prom.
Now over to Mr. Blankenship with information on Co-op.
Hey guys, this is Mr. Blankenship. I wanted to talk to you about cooperative education. The application for co-op begins on Monday, March the 7th and ends on April 1st, April Fool's Day. Co-op is when you get to leave school early and go to work, much like early release. What's the difference? You get high school credit for co-op towards graduation by successfully completing the program. You do not get that for early release. Who is an ideal candidate? Someone who can complete and turn in paperwork on time. Someone who stays out of trouble. Someone who attends class on time and rarely misses school. If you think you meet that criteria, see me in room 318 for an application starting on Monday.
Are you a student who is interested in service hours or helping those in need? Considering donating to the Giving Tree. For more information, email aebuchanan9612@jeffcoed.com or lebrackett4652@jeffcoed.com.
The Irondale Public Library will be hosting an in-person ACT prep workshop March 19th from 8:30 to 3 p.m. Cost is $10. Check the description for the link to sign up.
Now over to a video from Mr. Mills and Mr. Hayes.
Good afternoon, Mountie Nation. I'm here with Mr. Hayes, our Gear Up rep from the University of Montevallo. We're here to tell you about an exciting opportunity for rising juniors, so that'd be 10th graders right now, that is going to be happening at the University of Montevallo. And you may have noticed an email from me already regarding this opportunity, but we wanted to come and tell you a little bit more about it. So, Mr. Hayes?
Thanks, Mr. Mills. So, of course, Gear Up is partnering up with the University of Montevallo. And the University of Montevallo this year is having summer college. So it's summer college at the university. So again, this is open to rising juniors. The emails will be sent out, or have already been sent out to students as well as their parent, letting them know a little bit more about what summer college is, as well as a very important Zoom that's coming up on March 8th at 6 o'clock. So in that email that you've probably already received, you will have the Zoom link and the passcode to get into that Zoom. So there, log in, ask questions, all information will be there. And again, if you have any other questions about it, contact me. I'm Mr. Hayes. I'm the Gear Up Facilitator here at Shades Valley.
You can also contact me if you have any questions. It's a really exciting opportunity, and it's going to be on campus. So it's not something to where you're just going for a few hours. You're going to be actually staying on campus. So really exciting opportunity. I want you to take advantage of it.
Now for our club announcements.
Congratulations to Jefferson County Academy of Theater and Dance for winning second place at the Southeastern Theater Conference this past week. They received an almost perfect score and were named runner-up for their performance, Ernest and the Pale Moon.
Malik McCants received an award for Best Supporting Performer along with Raven Heath and Samuel Oliver, who were both awarded All-Star Cast.
Once again, congratulations to JCAD.
If you're interested in being a part of the Computer Science Honor Society, then make sure to email Ms. Templin at rtemplin@jeffcoed.com for more information.
Attention all FBLA students attending Alabama State Conference. We meet every Wednesday, 3rd block in Ms. Bird's room for 30 minutes to work on your event. If you have any questions, please see Ms. Marks.
The Finance Academy is also sponsoring a field trip to the University of Alabama. Friday, March 25th, all 10th, 11th, and 12th graders are welcome to attend. Please be sure to see Ms. Marks for a permission slip.
Gear Up Jefferson County will be sponsoring a field trip for 9th and 10th grade students to visit the University of Montevallo for a campus tour on Tuesday, April 19th. Please be sure to see Mr. Hayes for more information.
That is all for our general announcements. Now on to sports.
Are you interested in being a part of the Shays Valley cheer team for the 22 through 23 season?
The Shays Valley cheer team will hold their trial clinics March 21st through the 24th and trials March 25th. For more information, email cheershaysvalley@gmail.com.
There will also be a volleyball interest meeting Wednesday, March 23rd, 3rd block. For more information, ask Coach Cook.
Congratulations to the Color Guard team for achieving first place at their past competition. Now let's hear a word about their upcoming competition this Saturday. Hi, I'm Makaya.
And I'm Ellen, and we're part of the Shades Valley Color Guard. Come support us this Saturday, March 19th, at our championships.
We got first place last time. Let's hope we can bring back the trophy. Tickets are $10 and children under 5 get in for free. Come out and support.
Here's some of our varsity softball players with more information about this week's games.
Hey y'all, I'm Maya.
And I'm Kennedy.
We're on the Shades Valley softball team, so come support us today at 5 o'clock at Woodline.
And on Thursday at Ramsey at 5 o'clock.
Our varsity boys baseball team will be playing against Central Tuscaloosa Thursday at 4:30 here at Shays Valley High School.
The baseball team will also have a game against John Carroll this Friday at John Carroll High School. Varsity at 4:30, JV at 6:30.
Tennis will be having a match this Wednesday against Mortimer Jordan at Mortimer Jordan High School. Varsity boys and girls at 5 p.m.
Our golf team will also be having a match at Shays Valley High School this Thursday. Varsity boys at 3, varsity girls at 3:20.
Our varsity boys soccer team will be having a game against Woodline this Thursday at 5 at Woodline High School.
That was the conclusion of our sports news for this week.
Thank you for tuning into our Mountie News.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Until next time, this is SVTV signing off.
Students, we are Mountie Nation. We are accountable, we are respectful, and we are empathetic. Everyone have a great day.